We have seen this movie before. America invents something big. Then the most important aspect is lost and recaptured elsewhere. The American factory is shut down, the supply chain disappears, the practical know-how goes with it. At Hyperscale Data, we are not interested in repeating that story with respect to robotics. Embodied AI sounds abstract until a machine hits a real workplace. Then it becomes very concrete in short order. Floors are uneven, lighting changes. People work around the robot instead of for the robot. A task that looked easy in a demo turns into 20 small failure modes by lunch. That part matters more than the keynote ever will. So that is where we put the company. We hold the highest partner tier with AGIBOT, a developer of intelligent robotics technology, and we are the first American company to reach it. AGIBOT is one of the leading humanoid platforms in the world, and that partnership gives us direct access to the hardware, supply chain, and platforms that this market will be built on. We are building in Michigan because Michigan still has industrial muscle memory. We are developing a campus where robots can be trained to perform real jobs, tested until the weak points show themselves, assembled here, and sent back into the field with software that actually fits the work. That will create engineers, technicians, operators, manufacturing jobs, and a place where people learn by doing instead of talking. Some customers want the robot and the software development kit. Others want a model trained on our compute for their floor, their tools, and the way their team actually works. Some want the whole system deployed and supported. All of that is the same business to us, because each job enhances our ability to improve the next project and make it more productive. The data matters too. We plan to sell embodied AI data, evaluation data, and scenario data to frontier labs. Better models are going to need contact with the physical world. A vision language action model cannot learn torque, friction, occlusion, or recovery from a corpus of words and pictures. So we intend to collect the kind of data that comes from real work, real failures, and repeated attempts to get the machine to do the job right. Additionally, we intend to pursue every effort to ensure that all of that data never leave the US. What we are building is a loop: supply chain, computing, training, evaluation, assembly, deployment, data creation, then back into training again. Miss one part and you end up dependent on somebody else for the part that decides whether the system actually works. We want that loop in America. We want a serious piece of it in Michigan. We want to leave behind capability, jobs, and machines that can hold up in the real world. Sincerely, Todd Ault.